Hi everyone, welcome to Adventures with Moo 42. This is where I will be sharing my garden and food adventures. I'll also be sharing with you my favorite recipes, garden tips, garden projects, and more. Thank you for watching and enjoy! Good morning everyone, or afternoon, evening. We're going to be making some wonderful bean soup today. And let's get started. I got some olive oil in the pan, and I'm adding some chopped up garlic right now. I added 4 cloves of chopped garlic. You can add more or less, depending on how much garlic you like. Good, turn down the heat a bit. I'm also going to add 2 large chopped up red potatoes and 3 chopped up carrots. They're in chunks because the soup, and I like my carrots to be chunky. Ooh, I wish y'all could smell it. Get that roasted. I'm also going to add some frozen celery I had. So we're going to let that cook for a couple minutes as I got distracted looking in my freezer. And I'm going to make sure to stir it. I don't want my garlic to burn. In fact, I'm going to add some water. To be honest, I got excited and I added the garlic first, which is a big no-no. But I just love the smell of garlic, especially sauteing garlic. So instead, I would probably add your carrots, your red potato, and your celery. I didn't have an onion. I realized that this morning. Otherwise, I would have tossed chopped up onion in here too. If you do, go ahead and add one in. If you don't, it's fine too. So I'm going to let this cook for a couple minutes, and then I'll be adding my seasonings and everything else shortly. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding some lovely spices, and this moved a little bit. There we go. Not really. Anyway, I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder, because you can never have too much garlic. Now, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of oregano, as well as half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. Ooh, more marjoram than I wanted. That was probably 1/4 teaspoon, and we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of celery seed, as well as thyme. Insert corny joke. And almost forgot some onion powder. We'll be adding a full teaspoon of that and a sprinkling of crushed red pepper. If I can get it to come out. going to crush red pepper. I'm going to add a dash of black pepper. And I realized I just forgot the turmeric, so I will be right back. Okay, I got the turmeric. So I'm just adding a dash of turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon. I put turmeric in everything because I love it just like I love garlic. So I'm going to just give this a little mixy mix. And I'm going to I could be patient and let it cook for a bit, but I'm really don't feel like being patient because I'm really hungry this morning. And for some reason I wanted soup. So here I am. So I'm going to add 16 ounces total of tomato sauce to give it a nice tomato base. You could also add some chopped up fresh tomatoes. I think would be lovely in this. So that's one. Grabbing the other. I can open it. Maybe I can't open this. So, oh no, I'm struggling here. Success! And I didn't spill tomato sauce all over myself like I was fully expecting. Here is the other one. And I'm now going to add, what do I want to add? I think I'm going to add the tomato paste, because more tomato. It's a little 6-ounce can I'm adding of tomato paste. Again, I want to make sure I'm getting that tomato flavor because I think it'll complement the beans really well. So I'm just going to scoop that out here. I was looking, so I kind of wanted a hearty soup that felt like fall. So I thought a bean soup would fit that. Okay. So now I'm going to add beans. I do not have kidney beans, so in the future I think I'd add that. I'm adding 2 cans of 15.5 ounces black beans. That's 1. This is 2. Also 15.5 ounces, but of chickpeas or garbanzo beans, whatever y'all want to call it. That's 1. Here's the second one. And I'm adding 2 cans of green beans. Oh no, I didn't drain that one well. See, didn't drain that one either. Well, I mean I did, just not well. So I'm going to add some water and then I will mix this up. So I'm going to pause it though because I'm also covered in tomato sauce. Okay, so I added a bunch of water, probably a little too much, but I like to have more than enough water in there so as I let it cook down, it will condense and the flavors will intensify and I still have water, so some water in it. To make it a nice soup. So I'm going to let this cook and I will get back to y'all. I realized I forgot to put a bay leaf in, so there you go. So anyway, I'll see y'all in a sec. So the soup's been cooking for about 20 minutes and it's done. I checked that the carrots and potatoes were soft and I'm going to dish up some now, so I'm super excited. So here it is all dished up. You can have it with some bread, some crackers, y'all's forever, whatever size you guys like. And I'm going to go in and dig into this. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.